If you're tired of watery, inconsistent margaritas ruining your party vibe, then I've got something to show you. As I found out last summer, buying the best margarita machine can turn any gathering into a fiesta. No bartending skills required. In this video, you'll discover which models actually deliver perfect frozen drinks every single time. Links to each product are at the top of the description box. Getting ready for a party is a lot easier with the Margaritaville Bali Frozen Concoction Maker. It comes equipped with a generous 60-ounce pitcher, which means you can make enough margaritas, daiquiris, or smoothies for a crowd in one go. Making drinks for friends and family becomes simple, as you won't need to pause constantly to blend more batches. 4 pre-programmed drink settings are built into the machine, so you can switch between cocktails and frozen treats with the press of a button. Whether it's classic margaritas or creamy coladas, these useful settings take guesswork out of the mix. There's also a customizable shave and blend control, so you can adjust the ice texture and consistency to your tastes. Automatic dispensing lets you pour drinks straight from the machine, so serving is pretty seamless. After you finish entertaining, cleanup proves straightforward since the parts come apart with minimal effort. The system was designed to hold up to repeated use, so you don't have to worry about frequent replacements, unlike with cheaper alternatives. For those who plan to entertain or just enjoy frequent frozen drinks, this machine covers a lot of bases. Although there are more premium options available, it's still a strong option for anyone seeking consistency, ease of use, and reliable results for parties and family gatherings. Next up on my best margarita machine list is the Margaritaville Bahamas, which stands out if you're after a frozen drink maker that's easy to operate, but still gives you some room to experiment. With both automatic and manual controls, you're able to get that just right blend of ice and ingredients, whether you want to let the machine handle everything or you prefer to fine-tune each batch. The Shave and Blend feature mixes ice and liquids at the touch of a button, which helps you avoid the usual guesswork. You can also use separate shave or blend settings. This means you aren't stuck with one texture every time. Great if you like to adjust your drinks depending on who's over or what you're mixing. The pitcher holds enough for a small group, so you won't have to restart the process constantly when hosting friends. The design keeps things simple when it's time to pour too. There's no wrestling with stubborn lids or awkward spouts. That easy pour jar comes in handy, especially if you'd rather spend more time with your guests and less on cleanup. If you appreciate being able to set your measurements in advance to avoid overpouring or undermixing, the built-in markings on the mixer give you a hand. Everyone's drink can come out just how they like it with minimal effort, whether it's a classic margarita or another icy concoction. Overall, if you're tired of clumpy ice or unreliable batches from a standard blender, this model offers an upgrade in both consistency and convenience. Checking in at number 3 on my best margarita maker list is the Ninja SLUSHi Professional Frozen Drink Maker, which brings a streamlined approach to making frozen beverages. There's no need to haul bags of ice or struggle with blending. Just pour in your ingredients and let the machine do the work for you. Its one-touch operation and preset programming keep the process simple, so you can focus on entertaining instead of fiddling with settings. The rapid chill technology cools and freezes your drinks evenly, which means you won't wind up with watery margaritas or uneven slushies. The machine's impressive 88-ounce capacity lets you prep frozen drinks for a group, making it perfect for home parties or family get-togethers. You'll appreciate how flexible it is. You can make not just margaritas, but also coffee frappes, wine slushies, sodas, or even kid-friendly juice treats. The temperature controls allow you to fine-tune the consistency, so you can create thicker or thinner beverages to suit your preference. Cleanup is made less of a chore since the main parts are dishwasher safe and the removable vessel pops out easily. Even if you're making several rounds, you won't waste time scrubbing hard-to-reach parts, and the detachable drip tray helps reduce messes on your counter. If you're planning to serve drinks that need to stay frozen, the SLUSHi can keep them at the right consistency for up to 12 hours. This makes it practical for long events or for preparing ahead of time, providing peace of mind that each round will be just as good as the first. Plus, the overall design is super user-friendly, and the quiet operation keeps your gatherings conversation-friendly. Moving on to one of the best margarita makers on the market, and certainly one of the most popular, We have the Margaritaville Key West Frozen Concoction Maker. Its standout feature is the way it shaves ice instead of crushing it, which creates a finer, smoother texture, closer to what you get at a beachside bar than from a regular blender. The 4 preset drink options make life easy, especially if you want to serve guests quickly without fussing with timings or measurements. You also get full control thanks to manual modes, so you can adjust the ice and blend consistency if you prefer your drinks thicker or smoother. The extra large ice reservoir means you're not constantly refilling, making it more practical for entertaining a group. You'll be able to whip up 2 to 3 drinks in one go, keeping everyone's glasses full with minimal downtime. The included easy pour jar adds to the convenience, letting you serve drinks with less mess. Everything detaches easily, which makes both pouring and post-party cleanup super straightforward. The overall build and appearance stand out in a home bar setup, and unlike cheaper alternatives, it's sturdy enough to be a fixture at your next gathering. If an authentic frozen margarita experience is what you're after, the Key West Concoction Maker offers a specialized alternative to basic blenders. The hassle-free controls, unique ice shaving, and generous capacity all work together to deliver that bar-quality cocktail at home, making it a strong pick for your next party or relaxing weekend. So, what is the best margarita machine on the market? If you want to go all out and buy the absolute best margarita machine possible, then I'd highly recommend getting the Margaritaville Tahiti. Margaritaville's Tahiti Margarita machine stands out for its ability to make a variety of frozen drinks at the push of a button. The separate blending stations let you prepare 3 different concoctions simultaneously, which is perfect if your guests have different tastes. With 6 different drink settings, you can whip up not just margaritas, but also daiquiris, pina coladas, mojitos, mudslides, and smoothies without any manual blending or complicated steps. For anyone who likes to entertain, this top-of-the-line machine is designed for visual appeal as much as function. The rotating ice chute, complete with lighting effects, is guaranteed to draw attention and act as a conversation starter at your next gathering. Its robust construction features bamboo wood, brushed aluminum, and stainless steel accents, giving it a premium look that elevates any bar setup. Operation is fully automatic, making it beginner-friendly even if you haven't made many frozen drinks before. Simply load up the ice and ingredients, select your desired settings, and then let the machine handle the rest. You can focus on your guests while it works. The 3 blending jars allow you to serve large groups quickly, making it practical for big events or family parties. One thing to keep in mind is its size. It needs some counter space, so make sure you've got the room before setting it up. While there's some cleanup afterward due to multiple pitchers and moving parts, the all-in-one process still saves so much time compared to managing different blenders and ice crushers. And if you're after an all-around entertainer that streamlines drink preparation and keeps guests happy, Margaritaville's Tahiti Margarita machine is designed to fill that role with plenty of flair and ease. Regret is serving lukewarm, hand-shaken margaritas that no one finishes. The best margarita machine eliminates guesswork and delivers perfect SLUSHis, so your parties are legendary, not lackluster. Links to each product are at the top of the description box.